The last section. The cross-section of a satellite dish is parabolic with measurements as shown in the diagram below. A Cartesian plane is to be superimposed on the diagram with the origin at the vertex of the parabola. If the maximum depth of the dish is 8 centimeters, determine the width of the dish to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. So in this case, I'm going to start at my point 0, 0. I know that I'm going to have the point to the furthest left if this entire thing is going to be a height of 8. I have x and 8. And then I have negative x and 8 here and here. I can also see that if this is 8 and this is 6, then I've gone up a height of 2 as I have traveled 14 centimeters away from the point of origin. So I'm going to start by stating that if I know what it is in my vertex form, then y is going to equal a bracket x minus 0 squared plus 0. There's my h, there's my k because of the vertex. Well, x minus 0 squared is just going to be x squared, and I don't need to do the plus 0 at the end. I have a possible value for x and y given the point that we have over here. So I'm going to replace y with 2, and I'm going to replace x with 14. And I'm going to use this to solve for what my a value is. So 2 is equal to, well, 14 times 14 is going to be 196. A, or when I divide both sides by 196, A is equal to 2 over 196, which can be simplified to 1 over 98. Now, if I know that that's what A is, I'm going to say that y is equal to 1 over 98 x squared, and I know that it's going to hit the point of x and 8, which means that I'm going to replace the y with 8 is equal to 1 over 98 x squared, and I'm going to solve for what x is. So I'm going to divide both sides by 1 over 98, and I'm going to get 784 is equal to x squared, and then I'm going to take the square root of both sides and state that 28 is equal to x. So this would be at negative 28 and 8. This is going to be at positive 28 and 8. If it's going from negative 28 and 8 to positive 28 and 8, or starting at the origin, and it spreads out an equal distance going to the left as it does going to the right, then the total width is going to equal double the value of x. Because this is a length of x here, this is a length of x here. Which means that it's going to be 2 times 28, or 56 to the nearest tenth of a centimeter, 0.0 centimeters is going to be my width.